2-6 asks us to compare the ratio, and 2-6 also to ask us to solve the proportion. Number 7, you're going to solve each proportion. Leave your answer in simplest fraction if necessary. This part of the video, I'm just only going to cover A and B because it is the first two problems here. All right, there are many ways to do this, and here I'm going to show you the traditional butterfly method. Okay, so the butterfly method, the 3, that's the first wing of the butterfly, so we can write 3 times A. We could put this in a parentheses if you want, equal to, we want to put the butterfly second wing here, that's going to be 8, and that's going to be multiplied by 15. Okay, make sure you draw the line down the middle here as well. Okay, 3 times A, which is just 3A. Then we have 8 times 15, that gets you 120. Okay, the 3 is attached via a multiplication with the A, so we're going to divide 3 to both sides. Okay, 3 over 3 cancels, leaving you with just an A is equal to 40. So there you go. That is the butterfly method, right? B, I'm going to not do the butterfly method. I'm going to do this the traditional algebra method. All right? So, okay, I have a divide by 9 here. So how do I get rid of a divide by 9? Well, I'm going to multiply by 9 over 1, and I'm going to multiply 9 over 1. Okay? This will cancel, right? And then we have this. What is... Okay, then I have a divide by Q here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to multiply both sides. You know what? I'm going to color code this a little bit different here. I'm going to use green for the divide by Q part. So I'm going to multiply by Q, multiply by Q. Okay, the Q and the Q here will cancel. All right, so here we have 9 times, we have what? 9 times 13 on the left equals to, on the right you have a 4 times a Q. Okay, so 9 times 13, that gets you 117, is equal to 4Q. Let me draw down the line down the middle. So 4 is attached to the Q via multiplication, so we want to divide both sides by 4. Okay, the 4 on top and the 4 on bottom cancels. This gets you now just a Q, bring down the equal sign. 117 divided by 4. Okay, it's a improper fraction, so it's just 117 over 4. Okay, that's the traditional way of doing it. Some of you might be freaking out, so I'm going to do it the butterfly method to make you happy. Okay, so here is the butterfly method. Okay, here's the first wing, 13 times 9, so we can write that. 13 times 9. Right. That's going to be equal to, here's the second wing of the butterfly, and the second wing is 4 times Q. So here you go, 4 times Q. Notice these steps are the same. So 13 times 9, it is still 117. 4 times Q is still 4Q. Notice the second step is basically the same, okay? And so you're still going to get the same final answer. All right, there you go.